Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, have your device, backup code, and account open. Now start. Once you open the app or website, pick the authentication method and choose Enter Code. Make sure the device clock is synchronized because time-based codes expire quickly. If you're using a hardware token, press to generate a code and type it immediately. You need to work confidently yet deliberately. Enter digits without spaces, then submit to trigger the next authentication step. Once the first code is accepted, continue with secondary checks if prompted. You may be asked for a password, fingerprint, or SMS confirmation. Provide these in sequence. If a one-time code is time-based, type it within the 30 to 60-second window to avoid rejection. Otherwise, request a new one. When you use a backup code, mark it as used and store remaining codes securely. Make sure to select Trust this device only on personal equipment to reduce future prompts. You wrap up by confirming account access and reviewing recovery options. Update phone, email, or backup codes if needed. If a code fails, first resync the device clock or app, then request a fresh code and try again. If time-based tokens keep failing, use a backup code and regenerate new backups when you regain access. Make sure to contact support only after trying those steps, and provide non-sensitive diagnostic details so they can help you restore secure access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.